Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to extract corporate logos into your Excel worksheet. My name is Dankaro Ezuzu. Now let us look at the logos we want to extract. Now a lot of times that we are working in Excel and we need any corporate logo, we go to the site of that company, copy the logo, come to Excel and paste. So if you have need to get 3, 4, 5, 6 logos, you have to be going to each of their website. Now you don't need to do that with Excel. We're going to use a function called image function to extract this logo straight from another site. So I'm going to come here and say equal to image. And you see it's telling us that the image returns an image from a given source, which is a website. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I say concatenate, because we know what concatenate does. I can take concatenate or concat, followed by the URL of the particular site I want to use. In this case, I'm looking for logo, so I say logo.clearbit.com. This is the site I want to extract those logos from. I take my slash, and we know how we use concatenate. I'm going to take my comma, and then I pick the location I have typed that particular company. So I take my comma and I put the double quote. Now that's all I need. I just take my .com and close my syntax. All I need to do is to hit enter and I'll get Microsoft logo. What did I do? I'm supposed to get Microsoft and not MTN. Let me see. Okay, I've missed the location address is B2. I take this, fine. This is the Microsoft logo. So I just have to copy down, scroll down, and every of the logos are already given. So I have Chevron, Shell, Google, Airtel, Zenith, Barclays, Tesco. These are all the logos. I can center them. Beautiful. This is the logos for these particular companies. This is how to extract logos. So next time, don't bother going to the site to copy logos and paste your Excel worksheet when you're working. Thank you very much for listening. In other videos, we'll see much more of what Excel can do. Bye-bye.